Hello, my name is Maria Fernanda Castillo, Tax 3 Planning the Tree. Introduction of the place. Chachagüí is a small town in the department of Nariño. Its pleasant and warm atmosphere had made it a very attractive place to visiting for its inhabitants. Located 30 minutes from the capital of Nariño, it is the perfect place to spending pleasant moments with the family. Duration of the trip: 3 days and 2 nights. First day. At the reception of the Hotel Un Sol para Todos, you must have your personal information registered. You will select the activities you will do during your stay. Of this day, you will enjoy the aquatic attraction and landscape that the place offers for you. Second day. In the course of the morning, you can enjoy breakfast and take a horseback ride where you can look in the complex. For this activity, you must buy a ticket that is at the reception. The water attraction will also be open. 3 days. After eating lunch, you can continue enjoy the water attraction and more activities available for you. Means of transportation. If you want to get to Chachagüí, you having to use a taxi and supervan that you can take in the terminal of the city of Pasto, which go to town and always level and horse. Activities to do. Chachagüí is the perfect place to practice swimming and water sports. You can walk 30 times and finding place to test. Recreation and place where you can camp. Place to stay. You can finding from a wide variety of accommodation. You will find hotels, cabins, as well place go to the camping. Typical foods. You must eat strictly in the restaurant. It is a tourist village. You can eat in anywhere. There are many restaurants. Corn arepas are a good choice because it is a typical dish of the region. Cost. The cost of the tourist packet to traveling to Chachagüí 250,000 Colombia pesos, including accommodation and transportation for Pasto, for the hotel and back. Thank you.